Hi, in this introduction video, first I will tell about the version of Wondershare Filmora. So there are two versions as you can see on my screen, Wondershare Filmora and professional version. So I have provided the link of this site. You can go through what are the differences. On the bottom line I can say the Wondershare Filmora X is used by beginners because it is easy to use for video editing software, and this Filmora Wondershare is a video editing software, and this Wondershare Filmora Pro is used by professional. Second, how we can download the same site. You can see this download option. The moment you click, it shows Filmora X and Filmora Pro. If you wanted to go with the Filmora X, then and you are Windows user, then you have to click on this Filmora X for Windows, and if you are Mac user, then you have to click on this link. If you wanted to go with the Filmora Pro, then you have to, and you are Windows user, then you have to click this, and Filmora Pro for Mac users. Now, one more thing, and most important thing, if you are using any Wondershare Filmora version and you don't have any license and you are trying to export, then it shows this export will be with watermark, then you have to buy. So you can practice this, but if you wanted to do some professional work, you want to get output or export copy, then you have to purchase it if you don't want export with watermark. And these are the prices for Filmora. Subscription for Windows and Mac 1 year $39.99, and Filmora Pro subscription option is for 1 year $89.99. So that's all about the version, download and pricing and export. Right, now moving to the next section, that is tool. So this is the screen of Wondershare Filmora X. So you can see there are different pull down menus are there: file, edit, tools, view or export. So at this moment I will show you in this, go to preferences. You can see there are different options 1 2 3 4 5: general, folders, editing, save or performances. So default duration is means when you are placing your photo or using transition or any effect or freeze duration. So default duration is 5255, and when your photo placement is there, whether it will be fit, crop to fit or pen zoom. These are the default options. Or insert mode split selected track. This is the folder section where the temporary files are stored. You can change by selection. Also recorded audio, you can change your as per your requirement the folder, uploaded folder, snapshot files or effect packs. If you have downloaded or you have purchased, then you can store at particular location. In general, default language is English United States. There are two mode. Presently I am using dark mode. You can also select light mode or system default. Okay, and then there is a check for updates automatically. There are option never, every day, every week, every month, and you can also do reset all program warnings. And then there is a save backup project every 5 minutes, backup project file. You can select your location, default project location. If you are working on any project, you can select. And performance, these are related to GPU, acceleration. So by default it takes whatever GPU you are using, or this a desktop or laptop you are using. Background rendering, and this is the most important, automatically delete render files when a project file is closed, or you can clean by pressing it. So that's all about interface. Now you can see this is the complete layout. There are 4 sections. This is you when you select any menu, media, audio, tiles, so it shows its option, and this is a preview of or whatever file we select. So this is the section, the project we are working, and this is a timeline area or working area where we use images, sound, clip, and this is a preview area. Just like you can see, I have used this image or this clip, so you can see this is the preview. So when we select any music, audio or video, and we are working after editing, we can see the output here, and we can also zoom it, and we can play here, and we can also take a snapshot, okay, and it will place here, and we can import file from here. This is import option. Okay, and in the tools we have a different audios. By default they have provided some sample videos, sample colors, sample green screen, audio. You can double click on it and it will listen this, and these are the default tiles, and these are the default tiles we can use. There are almost 281 tiles are there, okay, and transition 233, effects 307, and elements 316, and there is a split screen as well. So in this tutorial or video introduction section, we have covered how many versions are there of Wondershare Filmora, how we can download, what are the pricing for both the versions, and why we need to go with the subscription. Because if we try to export without subscription or purchase, the output will be with watermark. We have also seen what are the option and screen layout. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much.